Let's get started with Spinner demo application. We started with just simple text view Spinner demo here that actually define in activity main XML. It's just have a text color blue and text size is 40 density pixels. To get new color for the text view, you need to define color in the values colors XML, like just new color constant, in this case color name blue, and hexadecimal representation of this color. So we're going to bring two more items to the layout. In this case, we'll be clear all constraints. So first of all, we drag and drop spinner. Spinner should be in containers section. Just scroll down and find a spinner. Actually, it's on the top. You don't need to scroll down. Just put spinner somewhere in the middle area. Make sure the spinner is within the boundaries of the activity layout. And maybe make it a little bit bigger in terms of width. And second, we would have text view, which will be result of spinner selection. Text view may be somewhere in the low area of the screen, also a little bit expanded. And text view, the second text view, we have to double check as well. Just should be of the size a little bit bigger. And since we have here a res wiggly line, the view is not constrained, so we go back to design. So we have a warning here as well. The warning is here: touch target size too small. Click batch for details. The item's height is 18 dp. Consider making the height of this touch target 48. Yeah, so we maybe make it a little bit harder here, a little bit bigger here by drag and drop this area, and this warning disappeared. All right, let's run again. Yeah, right now spinner demo, and we have here position for the spinner. So let's start coding right now and switch to main activity. So first of all, on the class level, we define array of our adapter. It will be a variable spin array of orange, blue, dark. This is where selection will be made. Inside onCreate, we will try to get a reference to the spinner. Get a reference. So we will create object spinner, importing state and automatically added, and object should be initialized by find view by ID. This is what we're using for initializing widgets in this course so far. So in this case, we will define value for array adapter. Then we create a constructor for array adapter. Constructor using 3 parameters. This. And then will be layout for adapter Android .r .layout, and special layout simple spinner item should be pop up from the drop down list. And finally, we have to attach our global array, spin array. I just copy paste here and attach it here to this constructor of the array adapter. And it's this case should be no errors because we in this case we wired adapter with the spin array. Finally, we need to attach array adapter to spinner by using spinner.adapter array adapter. So after this, let's run the application and see if adapter will be populated. And you see right now we see adapter populated with item orange, blue, dark. So which was here in this list? Yeah, we can expand here with more colors. It's expandable, right? If you just put more colors, and obviously object will be modified with new values. All right, it works. Right now, the most important, we need to attach click listener to the item selected from spinner widgets. So we will add spinner on item selected listener. And if we see this red bulb, we will expand it and find out that we have to let main activity implement interface adapter view on item selected listener. And when we select this, we find out that adapter view on item selected listener will be added to the top of the class definition. And also we will be required to implement members method. Then one member is on item selected, and another method member will be on nothing selected. Press OK. All right, looks like everything is good, and we can close on create and concentrate on the both method we need to override. Okay, so what we want to do here. So when the item selected from the list, this method will be executed on item selected. So we have to access text view find view by ID. I will show you how to do it in one line. We can access text view r dot id dot. I guess it's text view 3 in my case. All right, so yeah, if you don't forget what is your text view ID, you can go here and check in the text view. Yeah, I'm wrong actually. Probably I'm wrong because it's my text view will be just text view without text view 3. So I have to go back and fix my error. I will be using just text view dot text. This is coming from get and set, and we want to assign value for the array spinner array at the position that will be returned by this method. So position will be returned in these parameters. So that's why we have to put in the position of the element. Yeah. So let's try to see if selection will be successful. Yeah, so by default we have orange because the position is 0, right? Yeah, then you can change any other positions and you see the program works as expected. All right, so it was a brief video how to complete Spinner demo project. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks a lot.